Welcome to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm Laura Lee. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this gorgeous shabby chic / farmhouse or rustic style floor shelf with just a couple of materials and a little bit of time. It's a great conversational piece as well as useful to hold those seasonal knickknacks, odds and ends, books or movies, you name it. It's very useful. So let's get to it. Who doesn't need extra storage for books, knickknacks, and collectibles? I'll be using the aging and crackling techniques found in the video above. Everyone I know has one of these small, cheap particle board bookshelves. If you don't have one, they are $15 to $20 at every big box store. The shelves typically come with a fake wood grain or solid white or black laminate coating. Thanks to a few faux finishing techniques, they don't have to stay that way. All you need to create this beautiful shabby chic layered finish is common school glue and a bit of paint in whatever color you like. Keep in mind that the base color of the cabinet will come through in the finished result. If you don't want any of the current color peeking out beneath your new finish, you'll need to cover the entire project with a new solid color. If you are one of the people who have been conditioned to believe you can't paint laminate, it's time to think again. Thanks to modern advancements in paint and primer technologies, you can change the color of almost any substrate. There is a bit of preparation to ensure proper paint adhesion. In the case of this laminate floor shelf, you need to lightly scuff the shine off all the surfaces with fine grade sandpaper. There's no need to be too aggressive with the sanding. Keep moving across the surface without spending too much time in one specific spot. Over-sanding can remove the laminate completely, resulting in exposed particle or pressed boards. Once you have lightly scuffed off the surface shine, it's time to begin the shabby chic transformation. If you're okay with the existing shelf color showing beneath the treatment, you can go ahead and apply a thin layer of school glue directly to the shelf surface. Concentrate on finishing one section of the shelf at a time before moving on to another area. Brush the school glue in a thin, even coat using a wide paintbrush. Allow the glue to dry until it reaches a thicker, tacky state. Now, use a wide paintbrush to apply a smooth, even coat of your preferred paint color over the tacky glue. Be sure to use water-based paint such as acrylic or latex. Oil-based paint will not achieve our desired crackled effect. Apply the paint in one direction, trying not to go over the same swipe more than once. Now you have two choices for activating the shabby chic crackle effect. The slow way is to wait until the paint and glue dry naturally. As it dries, the layers will slowly separate, giving your shelf that unique crackled finish. For instant gratification, you can use a hairdryer set on medium. Keep the dryer at least 3 inches away from the surface and in constant motion. Cracks and fissures will begin appearing before your very eyes. Once you have every surface covered in the crackle finish, you can add some forced aging effects if you like. These are simply personal touches that replicate an item that has been loved and used for a long time. Using sandpaper or a nail file, lightly go over all the sharp edges and corners. Remove just enough paint to expose a little of the original shelf color. You can add a bit of dimension to the crackled finish by lightly rubbing the side of a pencil lead across it. Next, take an old cloth and rub the pencil shading into the cracks. It isn't completely necessary to seal the shelf. It is, however, helpful to have a bit of extra protection in case of a wayward drip or condensation from a beverage. My sealing method of choice is to rub the side of a wax candle across the surface. I then buff the wax onto the finished shelf for a nice soft sheen. The front edges of the shelf serve as the perfect location for adding personality. I found some old barn-style door handles added some shiny white paint to that, and attached them with small screws. This creates such a cute homespun feel. You could do the same using your favorite style of repurposed hardware. Ornate upholstery tacks, round drawer pulls, or small knobs would be equally charming. The floor shelf also matches wonderfully with the wall-mounted coat rack that you can see in this video. In that case, you can use it to store winter boots or shoes as you come in and out of the door. So for not much time, money, or effort, you too can have a charming floor shelf to display your seasonal items, movies, books, you name it. And you could get it done today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe. I put out new videos each week. See you next time.